Iangat Bayanihan Alright? So let's focus on having a good time today. Again, my name is Carl Augusta. And my name is Guys Estrada. Welcome to the starting line! Lenny Robredo. Kung gusto niyang ma-meet in person, up close, she will be the one awarding the podium finishes. No? So if you guys want to meet her, in for that first second of the tapos na race, magtalas na sila. Let's go! Good morning!
Thank you po.
Hi po, good morning. Congratulations.
Congratulations po, ma'am.
Congrats.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Congrats po.
Ekay! Ekay! Hi guys! Kakauwi ko lang from Angat Bayanihan Run sa Ayala, Makati. And hindi pa ako nakakapagpalit. Maliligo na ako after nito and I just wanna make chika muna. I ran 5 kilometers again and it's with the same people. Nakasama ko lagi sa mga sa fun run. Konti lang yung clips ko from the run itself kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang maging present at the moment. Kaya hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog din. But sobrang kilabot nung dumating si Miss Lenny Robredo. Tumaas yung balahibo namin nung nakita namin siya. Super fun and super organized din nung race. So, surprisingly. Kasi so far, Run Rio lang yung nakita kong super organized. But this one, organized din siya. And sobrang yung mga volunteers, yung mga nag-guide sa mga runners, ano din sila, sobrang energetic nila. Kaya masaya. I was actually expecting, parang feeling ko nga kanina, parang mas mabilis yung run ngayon kaysa dun sa run dun sa Pride. Parang, ewan ko, parang mas mabilis ko natapos tong, parang mas maikli siya, pero pareho lang silang 5 kilometer. But anyway, let's go ahead and do an unboxing of our loot bag. So we got this tote bag. Ang nakalagay is Angat Bayanihan Run 2026. And Miss Lenny also announced na may mga runs na rin from Angat Bayanihan that will happen in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So, watch out nyo na lang. Check nyo lang yung page nila. But anyway, let's go ahead and do an unboxing. Okay lang. So, first, we have here, nakita namin to nung pauwi na kami. So, it's for pets. And since you just need to quickly fill up a form, na rin kami and maikli lang yung pila. This is, surprisingly, ang daming laman nito. So, this is from Pet Socials. And, ayan. Hindi ko pa sila nare-research, but let's just unbox muna kung ano. Ito, mas madami pa akong nakuha for Bowie kaysa sa sarili ko. But anyway, this is Bonkers. Ayan na, parang treats siya. And then, may mga vouchers. Mga vouchers for hotel accommodation. There's a magnet for ref. And then, may parang free taste for their dry food. This is Wolfkins. I haven't heard of this brand before. So, I'm gonna check kung magugustuhan ni Bowie. And then, shampoo and conditioner for Bowie. And then, mga pabango. Ang dami nilang binigay, oh, diba? So, sobrang dami. And then, this is another voucher. And then, ito, I'm not sure what is this. It's a treat then. So, I'll give this to Bowie later. So, yun. Ang dami nung nakuha namin dyan. So, buti na lang nakita namin siya bago kami umuwi. And then, this one, I got this from Linya Linya, but binili ko to. Hindi siya free. So, this is just a small notebook. I believe notebook lang to. I was supposed to get a journal, pero medyo namahalan na ako. So, ito na yung pinili ko. Cute naman yung design. So, I believe this is just a blank notebook. Yeah, it is just a blank notebook. Pero maganda yung quality. So, yan. Ang cute ng nakalagay. Iba-iba tayo ng paraan ng pagmamahal. Cute. And then, we also got this from Ever Bilena. It's, meron na ako nito. Ito yung serum tinted lip balm nila. And you just need to follow them para bigyan ka nila nito. I got the shade Nectarine, pero feeling ko masyadong light to para sa akin. But let's check. Or I think I have this shade na. Not sure. Yeah, I think I have this shade na. Diba? Super sheer lang. I think ito nga yung isa kong ito yung meron na ako. And then, I got the bib. And then, of course, the medal. Cute din yung medal. And ito yung pinakalaman nung tote bag. Super konti lang, but it's okay. So, we have 2 sachets of this Sealim Fiver, yung iniinom, and then a voucher for Tokyo, 50 pesos off. And then, this is also from Ever Bilena, the Daily Dose Dewy Balm. So, full size siya. So, nice. Cute din yung laman. And then, I have this Hello Glow Sun Care Stick from Hello Glow. We have the Bakutso. Tapos yun lang yung laman ng tote bag. Wala nang iba. Pero, it's okay. Masaya pa rin naman, and it's worth it kasi nga nakita namin si Miss Lenny Robredo. And then, nagkakaroon pa nga kami ng mga joke. Bakit parang wala tayong nakikitang mga kilala natin? So, parang, mga ano ba sila? DDS ba sila or something? But anyway, that's all I got for this race. Actually, ang dami kong nakuha right now because of the tents. Kasi dun sa mga previous race na pinuntahan namin, hindi kami umiikot talaga. Lalo na pag mahaba yung pila. But, yeah. So, that's just gonna be it for today. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna rest for the rest of the day. And then, magpapahinga pa ulit. And then, I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen for the coming week. And may isa tayong big event, which is yung birthday ni Daddy sa Saturday. I'll probably bring you guys there with me. And I'll see you later. Hi guys, good morning. It's already Monday, July 27. And dumaan yung weekend na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. The last thing that I was able to shoot was the one from TGP, yung nagbilyar kami. And wala na. Nag-enjoy na lang talaga ako the rest of the weekend. After that, dumating si Darius sa TGP and nag-inom pa kami sa ULH. And I was able to see Ken as well. And wala, nag-enjoy lang kami doon. Ito yung mga pictures. Ipapakita ko na lang yung mga pictures sa inyo. And yun nga, nung Saturday, we were celebrating Dad's 80th birthday. Successful naman yung surprise kahit maaga siya dumating ng bahay. Na-surprise pa rin siya sa mga bisita. And ayun, until 12 a.m. Nagkukwentuhan lang kami nila ng Ninong, Tamaan, Ate Mick. Kasi si Daddy lasing na lasing. Ang daming nagregalo sa kanya ng Black Label, yung favorite niyang alak. So, basag talaga siya. But I think, sobrang happy niya. Sobrang happy niya dun sa birthday party niya. And then, umuwi na kami. And last night, or in the yesterday, hindi ako masyadong gumalaw-galaw din. I think puro nap lang ako kahapon. I was really recovering kasi 2 days straight akong nagiinom. And napaisip-isip ko parang ayoko na uminom kasi napapansin ko talaga na ang dalas na after ko uminom, the following day, sobrang kati ng katawan ko. I'm not sure if this is an allergic reaction, but I've been noticing this ever since na ang weird after kong uminom. Like, kumari uminom ako tonight, bukas palalabas yung mga yung mga parang yun yung hangover ko, yung mga pangangati ng katawan ko. But I'm gonna monitor that. I'm gonna check kasi pag hindi naman ganun karami yung ininom ko, okay lang naman ako. Pero pag madami, yun, dun talaga. And so far, I don't have any errands or ganaps na dadating for the coming weeks. I'm not sure kung sasama ba ako dun sa run sa QC for the Rexona. Yung 10-miler series, I think isasama ako nila Ninong kaso hindi ko alam kung paano ako pupunta doon. That will be on August and then by September, we'll go on the Disney run. We're gonna be doing 10 kilometers for that. Dito lang naman yan sa MOA. And I'm super excited with that. Yun lang. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to end the vlog here, but let's see if there's still gonna be something ganap this week. So, I'll go ahead and see you guys later.
똥 아니라 내 심장을 딴 게 분명함. 이한우 물 그만 마시세요. 속이 완벽하니까. 아니 이게 뭔 일이래? 알았어. 됐다 됐어. 내 셰프님, 저 지금 잘 계신가? 뭐야?